here.
At3-TiP BBQ.
To the food. Okay, go.
Beko, say hi.
You want me to introduce myself
Yes.
a lot of time?
Huh?
This is me. You know me, huh?
That's too close. Go farther.
This is me, bEcko, nickname Vampiro. This is Teva, nickname. This is Teva, nickname Soster. Name him. Name him. This is Mackie, nickname Mose.
Is that so stuff?
Yeah, Soster.
No, don't go like that.
Mose. This is, I don't think
Can you
you
see
guys
the
know
face?
this. The taxi driver back home. Karasi. Karasi, the Vampiro. Soster. Soster, say something.
Is that
Mose. My Mose. Soster, Christmas. Anyways, Merry Christmas. This is, yeah, Soster will take the time. Just
Today is Beko's birthday.
Today is
Anyway,
Beko's birthday.
my birthday, but you know, like,
Yeah, today.
no, it's today. 21st. Today.
July.
Mira, Gary, pues. No me
Rubbing. Yeah, why yes, car rubbing.
How old are you?
21 years old. I'm cold. That's right. I think you should go inside. 21 years old. I'm cold. You know.
Yes, definitely. Even them, not just.
Why? Am I the
No,
actor?
that's it. That's enough.
This is so
To tennis
go to
and
soft
football. Okay, come in.
Okay. So let's go inside.
Yeah.
Say hi. Hi. Ryan, stop. Say hi, Stevenson.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.